Hi friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food. We are at Homewood Suites by Hilton. On the second day, we shifted to another, we upgraded ourselves to a higher room because we wanted a kitchenette with there. So we are in that room now because we have 2 kids with us and we needed to do the cooking inside. So that was very convenient. There is a fridge, there is a microwave, there is a cooking range, and all the other facilities are there. Your cooking ware is there, everything is there. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel. Bye.